Are you ready for shopping today?
Yes, I am ready. I want to buy a few things, but I want to spend money carefully.
That is good. Shopping looks easy, but making good choices is important.
Yes, when we shop, we should think, what do I really need? Not only, what do I want?
The market looks busy today. So many people, so many colors, so many shops.
Yes, it feels exciting. Let's walk slowly. Let's look at everything, calmly, carefully. Look, this dress is beautiful. The color is bright, but is it useful for me?
It is beautiful, but you should ask yourself, will I wear it many times? If yes, buy it. If no, think again.
You are right. I think I will not wear it often, so I will not buy it.
Shopping teaches us many English words. Look, this is price. This is discount. This is quality. This is size.
Yes, and we can practice sentences too, like, how much is this? Do you have another color? Can you give me a better price?
And the most important sentence, let me think. Because thinking before buying is always smart.
I think I want a new bag, but not expensive, just simple, strong, and useful.
Yes, a strong bag is better than a fancy bag. Let's check the material. Let's check the zip. Let's check the stitching.
This one feels perfect. I will buy this. It is not too costly, and I really need it.
We bought only what we needed. I feel happy.
Me too. Responsible shopping is a good habit. Today, I learned something. Shopping is not about buying many things. It is about buying the right things.
Yes, and we practiced English too. Slowly, calmly, clearly. I liked how we shopped today. We walked slowly, we looked carefully, and we chose wisely.
Yes, I did not waste money. I bought only useful things. This makes me feel proud.
You know, shopping also helps us practice small conversations, like, excuse me, can you help me? This is polite, this is simple, this is good English.
Yes, and also, can I try this? Do you have this in medium size? These are helpful sentences. Almost everyone uses them.
Right. Speaking slowly and clearly is more important than using big words.
Sometimes, people buy many things, and later, they feel regret. That is why making a budget is helpful.
Yes, budget means how much money you can spend, not more, not less.
If I plan my money before I shop, I feel calm. I feel in control.
Good habit, good practice, good English learning too.
Today, I wanted to buy a fancy purse. It looked beautiful, but I did not need it.
Exactly. There is a difference between need and want. A need is important, a want is extra.
Yes, and when we understand this difference, we save money, and we shop smarter.
Shopping is not just buying things, it is a learning experience. It teaches planning, decision making, and English words too.
I like shopping days like this, slow, peaceful, thoughtful, and good for learning English.
Yes, we speak clearly, we speak slowly, and we learn together.
I like walking back home after shopping. It gives me time to think about what I bought and why I bought it.
Yes, reflection is good. When we think about our choices, we learn more, and we grow wiser.
Today, I learned something important. Buying cheap things is not always good. Sometimes, cheap things break quickly.
That is true. Quality matters. Good quality lasts longer. Good quality saves money in the long run.
So, next time, I will think about quality first, not just the price.
Did you see? Many shops had discounts today.
Yes, sometimes discounts are helpful, but sometimes they make people buy too much.
Exactly. A discount is good only when we need the item, not when we buy it just because it is cheap.
You are right. Today, I saw a 50% off sign, but I still controlled myself. I felt proud.
Shopping also teaches us polite English, like, "Thank you so much, I appreciate your help." These small phrases make us sound warm and respectful.
Yes, and tone is important too. Speak slowly, speak softly, and people understand better.
This is a great tip for English learners. Slow speech, clear words, simple sentences always work.
Next time we go shopping, I want to make a list. A shopping list helps me stay focused.
Good idea. A list saves time, a list saves money, and it keeps the mind calm.
Now, we are almost home. I feel relaxed. I feel happy with today's choices.
Me too. We shopped smartly, we learned new English sentences, and we understood the value of thinking before buying.
Now that we reached home, I want to sit for a moment. Shopping feels fun, but it can also feel tiring.
Yes. Walking, choosing, deciding, it all takes energy, but today, we did everything calmly. That makes the day feel peaceful.
Sometimes, when I go shopping alone, I feel a little confused. There are too many choices, too many colors, too many prices.
I understand. Shopping alone can feel overwhelming, but when we shop together, we think better, we help each other.
Yes, your advice really helped me today. I feel like I made good decisions.
One thing I learned is, we should not shop when we are upset or stressed, because then, we may buy things we do not need.
True, a calm mind makes better choices. I think shopping is not only about buying, it is also about understanding ourselves.
That is a deep thought, and very true. Shopping shows our habits, our priorities, our values.
Can we learn a few more English phrases that people use during shopping?
Of course. Here are some useful ones. Is this the final price? Can I see something similar? Do you have this in another design?
These are helpful. I will use them next time. Slow, polite, and clear.
And remember, smiling helps too. A polite smile makes communication easier.
You know, after today, I feel confident. Next time we go shopping, I want to try handling some conversations myself.
That's wonderful. Practice makes progress. Every small conversation makes your English a little stronger.
Yes, I am learning, step by step, word by word.
The day is ending, but the learning continues. Simple moments, like today's shopping, teach us more than we notice.
I agree. Thank you for walking with me, talking with me, and teaching me.